This Coldwell Banker Welcome Home Realty property video is presented by Mary Weller. Ready for you to move right into this 3-bedrooms home that has had lots of new renovations over the years. Built with 2 bedrooms on main floor and a loft in the upper level. An egress window was added to be used as a 3-row bedroom option or family room area. Clean as a whistle and maintenance-free with updated vinyl windows and siding. A detached 24 by 24 garage comes off the alley and leaves a nice fenced-in yard on the back side. You'll love the updated kitchen with new backsplash, cabinets, counters, flooring and appliances. Great little home for the cozing up in this winter. For more information, review the details below or contact Mary Weller at 507-420-5435.